Today's topic is credit creation by the commercial bank. Today I am going to explain you how credit is created by the commercial bank. Commercial bank कैसे credit create करती है. तो क्रेडिट क्रिएशन कैपेसिटी ऑफ द कमर्शियल बैंक दो चीज़ों पे डिपेंड करती है. फर्स्ट इज़ इनिशियल डिपॉजिट, उसके पास इनिशियल डिपॉजिट कितनी है, व्हाट इज़ द अमाउंट ऑफ इनिशियल डिपॉजिट विद द बैंक. एंड द सेकंड इज़ CR, जिसे हम लीगल रिजर्व रेशो कहते हैं. एक्चुअली वो CRR ही है, कैश रिजर्व रेशो. And what is the cash reserve ratio? The higher the cash reserve ratio, the lower will be the CRR, and the higher will be the cash reserve ratio or legal reserve ratio, the lower will be the credit creation, and the lower the cash reserve ratio, the higher will be the credit creation. So for the sake of simplification, I have assumed that the initial deposit is rupees 1000 and legal reserve ratio is 20%. So total credit creation will be rupees 5000. बट दिस विल टेक सेवरल राउंड्स टू मटीरियलाइज. ये कई राउंड में होगा. अब फॉर्मूला पे अगर हम पुट करें तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 1/CRR इंटू कैश रिजर्व. तो व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ CRR? इट इज़ 20% एंड कैश रिजर्व इज़ 1000. सो इन लेट्स टेक द केस ऑफ फर्स्ट राउंड. In the first round we have seen that the primary deposit, that is the initial deposit with the bank, is rupees 1000. Out of this 1000, what is 20%? 20% is rupees 200. So cash reserve ratio is 200 and loan is rupees 800. Now this loan will become derivative deposit in the second round. In the second round it is 800, the total deposit, that is derivative deposit, out of which 20% of 800 is rupees 160. So this 160 will become your cash reserve ratio, and the remaining, that is 640, will be given as loan. Now this 640 in the third round, it will become your derivative deposit, that is the total deposit. Out of this 20% is 128 rupees, and this 128 will be your cash reserve, and 512 will be taken as loan. So this will, and in the fourth round, let's take 4 rounds. So not more than 4 rounds, because it will become very lengthy. In the fourth round, rupees 512 becomes the deposit, though it is not primary but derivative deposit, and the loan is 409.6 and cash reserve ratio is 102.4. Now we have not shown the other rounds, that is 5th, 6th, we have assumed that so on. And in the total credit creation will be rupees 5000, out of which loan will be 4000 rupees and cash reserve ratio will be 1000. So this is the process of credit creation. You have to bear one thing in mind, that value of credit creation depends upon the initial deposit as well as cash reserve. The higher the initial deposit, the higher will be the credit creation, and the lower the cash reserve ratio, the higher will be credit creation. So cash reserve ratio has got inverse relation with credit creation of the bank. Now there is one more formula I have to tell you about. What is money multiplier? Money multiplier is the reverse of legal reserve ratio or CRR. In this case, money multiplier is equal to 1/LRR. If legal reserve ratio is 20%, then the value of money multiplier will be 5. So this was all about your credit creation. What is primary deposit? Primary deposits are cash deposit with the commercial banks by the people, and derivative deposits, that the loan given from this primary deposit is known as derivative deposit.